Blue profits this side, green take profits that side, and I think to myself, what should I analyze? And here is YouTube feeding me an opportunity to feed others. Woo! Jokes aside, it is with my greatest delight today to be back on YouTube to be serving you millions with some informative stuff on Nasdaq. Right, guys, I've been away and I missed you guys. I had to do something about it today. This is why I'm back filming for you guys. I'm going to be showing you what is it I anticipate, giving you my perspective. Let me tell you, I expect the Nasdaq market to give a huge impulsive move today, and we will be back to also film another live video of us trading on our live accounts. So I hope you all well. I know I am great, I'm wonderful, I'm happy. Before we even get started, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Was that too early? Well, you might as well do it now. So let's dive right into the video, guys. Straight up on this week, I anticipate the market to be impulsive to the downside. Excuse my English, I haven't done YouTube in a long time, but anyways, I expect an impulsive move today, tomorrow, Thursday, to the downside. Probably that's what I expect, but we'll see what it does. So you know what, first and foremost, let's analyze the market before I even jump into conclusion. And first, always go into the weekly chart to identify your trend. What is our trend? Let's go. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, potential lower low. But we know what the market is doing. Since we have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, we are in a downtrend, guys, since 27th December. That's something I know and I've been preaching over and over and over and over. What else do we see? We are at a potential support point, in which consists of one, dos is two in Spanish, guys, and potential three. I don't know what three is in Spanish, so this could be a three touch, and we could respect this level. We could also break it. So let's go into the daily. Let's collect our groceries. What do we see on the daily? Right, the very same level has been broken significantly on the daily yesterday. That's what we're waiting for us to say now we are potentially facing the market to continue going down, right? So we broke the level, the support level. It means that when you break support levels, it's a bearish market, right? So that's all I see on the daily. What else do I see? We could come, and I'm pretty adamant we coming for this trend line to at least get a touch at this trend line. So into the 4 hour. All right, into the 4 hour we go. The very same support line has been held right now, right? Where are we looking for a trace? Let me just give it to you right now and there. Now we know what the trend is. The trend is bearish. We know that we're consistently making lower lows and lower highs since December, right? And on the daily, we know that we've broken this structure level right here, the structure level, and it is now acting from a resistance point. So since we are at a new resistance point, what are we to be looking for at the resistance point? We're looking for rejections of your 4H, your 1H, loss of momentum, break of trend lines, right? To confirm that we will be selling to the downside. Now, if we are to sell, this is the next level I would be anticipating. I would be placing my take profits in around here, right? So let's go into the 1H and see more of what the 1H is showing. Now I wanna grab this path thing right here. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So yes, we should see a decrease into this point towards the New York session. So let's set up, let's prepare for a trade once and foremost. Prepare for a trade. Now, how do we prepare for a trade? Inverted trend line. Let's pull that one. Well, it now acts as a valid trend line, right? Like that. Right. Let's put another trend line right there. Why am I putting these trend lines? Guys, I'm trying to lock the market into one place, right? So if the market is to do that and then break this, come back and test it like that, then we can have our perfect sell setup. But I anticipate a setup happening right now. And should I even be filming the video, or should be on my account taking live trades? Look at that. That was a double top formation at our resistance point. So that could have been entry number 1, and that could have been entry number 2 right there. And you take profits right down below there, right? So at least we do see what the market is doing, right? We're having a downtrend market, and these are the smaller time frame movements in which you can take advantage of. This sell setup alone will be worth $126 minimum using your 0.01. We're not looking at the profits, we're just looking at the outcome of this good trade, right? And excuse me, if you're to also miss out on this trade and take a trade with me, as I proclaimed earlier on, well, you still have some good distance before we even hit our potential take profit area. You see, still have a great distance, great one before we hit this area. You still have 1,300 pips potentials along the way. So the market is forming up very well, and guys, I should have knew. I would have taken a trade right here at the break of this trend line. I would have taken a trade like that. Why am I taking a trade? We broke a upward in trend line in a downtrending market on the higher time frame, and where the potential resistance point in which was broken, and now as a strong resistance because of it holds from your weekly downwards. We had a double top formation, one double top formation there, another double top, broke. So I was scaling for more opportunities. Could have taken a trade like that. I didn't. So now I will wait for another trade to propose itself, stuff like that. But guys, what will I do? Basically, I want to see a reaction at this trend line. If we break this trend line right here like that, get a retest, I'm telling you, today is going to be mega in terms of movement. So we missed out on one trade, but at least I got to share with you guys what is it I anticipate. This is my formal perspective analysis for you guys, and I'm gonna do another informal one for me, which is crazy. I'm going to be stacking lot sizes all over. I'm just joking, guys. I don't do informal stuff. I'm going to prepare for this trade, know how much we're risking, how much we're gaining as well. So that's probably it from me today. Till we meet again. I assure you, I can't wait to be back already. To be back and sharing with you guys some more information on NASDAQ. Yeah, guys. Have a fruitful day. Till we meet again, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. God bless.